So you love the Beauty Blender, but you find it way too expensive. And all the other knockoff sponges feel like you're slapping your face with a rock. Stay tuned to today's video because I'm gonna let you know about this guy who is probably the best dupe that I've ever found for the Beauty Blender. In this video, we're comparing the Beauty Blender against this little guy, or this big guy, I should say. In the past, I've reviewed the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. I've tried the sponge from Quo, which is a Canadian brand sold at Shoppers Drug Mart. And I've also tried the one from Revlon. I haven't tried the one from L'Oreal, but I don't know about you guys, but I feel like they're all really kind of hard. It feels like you're hitting your face with a soft rock, which is why for many years I would always buy the Beauty Blender and try to justify the price. But at the end of the day, it's $27 for a freaking makeup sponge. That's expensive. Now this one is different. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I bought a whole bunch and paid, I think, $10 or $15 shipping or duties expenses. I know no one talks about that. I'm based in Canada. Just so you know, if you enjoy this type of video, please give it a like and subscribe. I do new beauty videos every Tuesday and Thursday. In the demo, I am using the Beauty Blender on this side of my face and the Paw Paw Super Soft Wonder Blender from ShopMissA.com. That is where I get these, but these are not like the AOA Studio ones. The AOA Studio ones are harder, so what you really want to look for is the one that's called Paw Paw. They come in pink packaging like this, in the teardrop shape, the beveled one, and in this curvy shape as well. So what do I really like about this sponge? Well, the price is $1.55 US, $2.08 Canadian. It is so soft and latex free. It works just as well as the original Beauty Blender. Part of the proceeds actually go to animal shelters. I actually discovered this Beauty Blender dupe through Lauren Beauty on YouTube. She was talking about her favorite sponge, which was less than $2, and I was like, girl, I need to get on top of that. I'm sure ShopMissA isn't the only brand that does a really good Beauty Blender dupe. Let me know in the comments down below if you know any brands that do, and also let me know what you think about makeup sponges. Do you like using them? Are they still in? Are they out? I will see you in my next video on Thursday. Bye for now.